Welcome back to another beautiful day in sunny South Florida, where it's a little bit too sunny, no cloud cover. Anyway, we are back. So, we did something different. There's a big difference on the Lexus. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'll just show you. I'll just do that and make it easier. We finally got some wheels on the Lexus. So, what we have are Rohana's RXF5s. They are 20 by 10 squared fitment all the way around. I did want staggered, couldn't find it, unfortunately. Got them on Facebook Marketplace for a great deal. I will not say how much because the wife is watching. But anyway, got it for a great deal. Makes the car look way more aggressive. Got it in a satin black finish, so that way it fits pretty well. Now the fitment's pretty good. It does poke a little bit in the back. I do like the poke a bit more than the flush or the cambered style. Ideally, because it makes it look a little bit more aggressive, especially with the X5s detail in the wheels right now. So I did get them for a good price. There's a little bit of curbing that I have to do, so I'll just touch that up with some paint, make it look real good. Black finish. Nitto tires all around. Got it for a great price. So I don't really have any complaints about it. I will say now that the car has got one of the near final mods, it's been pretty great, So let's go over the mods that we've done so far to the Lexus. First up, we did the JPM carbon fiber front, side skirts, and rear diffuser. We got Rohana wheels, 20 by 10s squared. We have the carbon fiber mirror caps. We have the vivid vinyl wrap for the headlights. Vivid vinyl carbon fiber for the front grille as well. And what else did we do? Let's see, we didn't do anything on the interior yet. Oh, of course, we made it a little bit quicker. We made it a little bit faster. We got the Windbooster throttle controller, way to download some speed very quickly. Throttle controller is amazing. I would say that would be the best mod that I have on this car because it cuts down the acceleration lag that is on this car by a lot, and it's been a major help. The acceleration is way quicker than before. It's something that I need down here in Florida where there's open highways and traffic, and nobody wants to feel slow in a fast looking car. The rule is to go slow fast than to go fast slow, right? Oh, also, how could I completely forget? One mod that we did was the exhaust. That was the last video. Completely forgot that. So we have an RCF exhaust with the twin tips, as well as an Invidia Midpipe for the car. Now, we don't have headers. I did do a lower cat delete for the Invidia Midpipe to fit. But other than that, yeah, it's been pretty good. I will link everything that I have down below in the description to show you, where I got what parts, what pieces. And I guess I'll put in there how much it costs. Maybe not. I don't know. If you go to the links of all the items, you'll see how much it costs. So don't worry about that. Oh, I completely forgot. New video coming up. My sequential turning lights. So if you don't know, which you probably don't, unless you are local to me or have seen them in person, my sequential turn lights. So that's it locked. And when they turn on, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, you can't see it. But during the daytime or at night, they run sequentially left and right, and they have a blue activation, so it'll be good. And the last mod that I did, which isn't really a mod, it's just basic caliper paint on all the calipers. front and back. So something light, something simple, something easy for us to do. And all of these videos that I have, all the videos that I have in the mod series of the Lexus RC have all the work that I've done to it. So if you want to do something yourself, like the caliper paint, that's in there. If you want to learn how to install the side skirts, the front lip, the rear diffuser for the JPM carbon kit, that's in there. I didn't do the wrap for the headlights and the front grille. That was pretty much the first actual modification I did to the car before I started recording, and the mirror caps. So a lot of information that I have for you guys is available on all of my other playlists. So, you know, just click right about here, you'll see it. And if there's something that you wanted to see, you know, just comment, you know, tell me, give me your guys' feedback. You know, everybody has different opinions about how cars should look, which trends they should go with, how they should build their car. But I want your opinion. I want your feedback. I want to, you know, hear things. You can say it's good. You can say it's bad. You can bash it. You can trash it. Rice or nice, whatever. You know, I'll listen to everybody and I won't get hurt personally. So that's just me. But other than that, I love the car. I've had the car a year. This is quick. This has been easy. I want to thank all my sponsors again. I want to thank JPM Carbon for the first part of the carbon fiber build. You know, I appreciate everything you guys have done. I want to give a shout out to Windbooster again, because the car feels impeccable now. Like driving it in race mode, sport mode, sport plus mode, you know, it's great. I can turn it into valet mode. I don't have to worry about anybody trying to, you know, drive off of my car when I turn it into anti-theft mode. Everything is perfect. Who are my other sponsors? I want to thank Tuner Cars for animating my car, turning it into a wonderful piece of work. And it looks great animated. You know, they got every detail from the wheels to the front license plate to the Unity sticker. I want to shout out my Unity crew as well. I want to shout out Japanese Muscle again for their t-shirts that I'm actually currently wearing one. Currently wearing a Japanese Muscle t-shirt, so I just want to give a shout out to them as well for all the support that they've given me. And like I said, guys, everything is in the description as far as links, parts, accessories, things like that you want to get. I wanted to give a big shout out to you guys for following the channel. And if you're not following, just take 2 seconds. Push the button, subscribe, and share and like. You know, I also have the shorts where they're pretty much memes and other stuff that I find hilarious on the internet and share with you guys. And I just want to make everybody laugh. I want everybody to enjoy the ride. I want everybody to enjoy the road of life and to have fun. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys. This is Jay, this is FI4, and we'll see you next episode.